In this video, we will talk about how to fix missing Wi-Fi icon on Windows 11. Method 1. Enable Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Look for your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click, and select Enable. Then check if it helps to solve your problem. Method 2. Services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Open. Here, search for WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click and select Restart. And check if it helps to solve your problem. Method 3. Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click and open any browser. Copy-paste the link given in the description and press Enter. If nothing seems to work for you, you can simply buy an external Wi-Fi adapter. Connect it with your laptop or desktop. Your Wi-Fi icon will show up. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.